Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see with the title, I have a new setup, so let's go check it out. I'm just going to show you it. We're going to have a little room tour, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So yeah guys, this is my new setup. This is a background that I'll be doing for my theory videos. As you can see, we have my whole Five Nights at Freddy's shrine here. We got the books, we got the Funko Pops, we got plushies, and so yeah, this is our kind of background for our theory videos. As you can see, you know, the room is it's small, but I've made it the best of my ability, and I'm really happy to at least have an office. You know, like, it's something I've always wanted to do, and obviously I'm not stuck in my little bedroom anymore. You know, it's kind of surreal to have a room just dedicated to the you know, the channel. It's gonna be really cool, and yeah, I will show you my setup for my gaming videos now. So here we have our little setup for gaming videos. This will be my face cam, and so yeah, it's kind of like, you know, a normal background. I'm just happy to, you know, get this setup. It's all thanks to you guys actually supporting the channel, to allow me to get my own room, really. You know, it's pretty surreal. And so yeah, I did before on my Instagram ask if you did want to see a setup video when it's fully finished. Although this setup's not fully finished, there's still some bare walls that I need to cover with some soundproof panels and stuff like that. But yeah, there is still a lot of stuff that I need to show you, so we might as well get into the whole gaming side of this. So let's get into that. So here we have our little desk and all this stuff here. So as you can see, we have a microphone. We have our new monitor from HP Omen, which is a really good buy. It's a really good monitor that I picked up. We have our little Funko Pops there with our G Fuel behind us to keep us going in the gaming. We have our laptop there for editing. We have a little copybook for editing and ideas. We have another copybook and some DVDs, trash can, a speaker, our PlayStation. And that's pretty much our little setup there, and it is very, very cozy and very, very nice in my opinion. Moving swiftly onward, we have our little Five Nights at Freddy's shrine, including our little Eevee plushie. As you can see, we have our figures and our little Funko Pops, and here we got Foxy, Nightmare Freddy, Bonbon, Funtime, Foxy, and Baby. And we have our little Pennywise, and we have the all original 3 main books of the series. We also have our Glitch Trap figure, our little Five Nights at Freddy's poster, Jacko Bonnie, Glamrock Freddy, Bonnie, Glamrock Chica, Roxanne, and Monty. We have our little plushies of Marionette, Baby, and Carol. And yeah, that's our little shrine of FNAF. So yeah guys, that is pretty much the end of this video. Obviously it's going to be a short video. Hopefully you all did enjoy. Yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's been patient enough to let me get this setup fully done. Obviously, as I said, it's not fully done just yet, but I wanted to just, you know, let everyone know that it's getting there, and there's going to be a new background from the rest of the video. So I just thought, you know, I'd finish this video as quick as I could, so, you know, out of nowhere there wouldn't just be a new background on my new video. So yes, this is going to be the background from now on. As you can see, this back, I'm not really sure which ones for my theory videos I'm going to use. I'm either going to use this angle or I'm going to use the angle you saw previously. I'm not just sure just yet. We're going to come to that when we get there. I'm very, very happy to have this set up, genuinely. I want to say a massive shout out to HERBALKWACK, mainly because you can see, hold on, let me try and line this up. The puppet and the baby is hiding behind the Pennywise. As you can see here, this baby plush and the puppet, or the marionette plush. I want to say a massive thank you to her because she got me them, and I was very, very happy to get them. And also I want to say a massive shout out to her for doing the channel art. Make sure you go check her out. Link will be in the description below. She's a very good YouTuber. She is definitely going places, so yeah, make sure to go check out her channel. We're going to be doing some fun stuff soon concerning some gaming, so yeah, make sure you go check her out. Link will be down in the description below. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this little setup video, make sure to smash the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe. And I can't wait for the new content to come soon. Genuinely, it's going to be so much fun. Have an amazing day, guys. Peace.